So I think his big horn was because that little mono was coming in the front. He was given a big warning blast. So we've just come in, dropped on the beach here. All the tugs are heading home, the ship's gone. We'll go check out the town. It's a nice little tap to wash our feet, perfect. Unfortunately, no friendly dry feet ramps for us. Now it's recording it. So we're peacefully sitting here. I'm editing videos, Joe's doing her arty stuff. And we both had the crap scared out of us by a mighty horn. And here it comes. We've got another giant ship coming in. They come through here really quickly. They're flying through. So when I did read it was potentially a bit rolly here. I thought from waves. I think they mean ships. Yeah, the foghorns are unbelievable, aren't they? Oh, I've got that lightning in the background. Yeah, they're not mucking around coming in, they're fast. Into Newcastle at night. This morning we've left Newcastle and we're heading to Port Stephens, and on the weekend there was a sailing competition here at Port Stephens, and all the boats are coming towards us. We've been weaving through them, but we've got one coming just about dead on us at the moment. I'm going about as far as I can downwind, but I think we're right now. I can come back up a little bit. Keep the wind in the sails. Oh, and their wet weather gear. No AIS. So many of these boats in front of us now don't have AIS. I don't understand it. It makes life so much safer. So this is Fingal Bay. We're just crossing that and we're rounding Mount Stephens and into Port Stephens. Going into traffic. Everybody maintain course. One out that side. And these three over this side. We've just given the boat a bit of a scrub, getting all the crap off the hull, clean the antifoul, and saw something on the forebeam that doesn't look right. So we've got our screwdriver, we're going to go have a look at it. But something's come undone. So, our forebeam. Alright, this is the side that's good. So, these three screws here, they're the issue, so I'm going to take one out to get the size and then we'll show you the other side. This is decent. Was it the swell or was it the boat? Oh, it might be a big H4.
Nothing's easy in a boat.
Okay, that's what we're missing.
Alright, and then we go over, watch your head.
Pull that out of the way, there we go. See, 1, 2 and 3 are all missing. They've all vibrated out. Loctite wasn't holding
Which
the
is
day.
weird. That's one side only's come out, not both.
So, I think we have these in spares.
Oh, fingers crossed.
All those screws we carry for 4 years.
Oh!
Gotcha! We saw there was a public dock and it was free and empty today. We're coming into the heart of the city. Righto, turn in, Jay. Yes. Done. All tied off. Beautiful. This is like Painesville. Lovely free berths.
So Chris has got some screws, some bolts. Screws, bolts, screws. Because they don't have any. They don't have a bolt thing.
There's no chandlery here.
No.
Guys in the marine up there, fantastic. You just gave me a couple of bolts that were slightly too long and I've cut them down. So, very nice.
Under we go.
Let's go. Into position. Do I need the motor or are we going to pull it through?
We're going to pull it through.
We've come to a stop. What happened?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
See, I've lost weight. We don't fit anymore.
Yeah.
We used to fit under here really well.
Alright, you ready?
And now we're stuck. We're stuck up there.
We normally drive this bit.
I think the first.
Alright, we'll do that side first. We're not sure. Should we be using a dissimilar metal anti-seize material or Loctite to keep it in? We're going with Loctite because they fell out, so obviously dissimilar metal is not really the problem here. I tried the dinghy over at Southern Falls.
But that one didn't fall out, so that.
No, it was dead tight.
Yeah, so that one was tight.
Yeah, but the other one has, so I'm not too scared to.
Yeah, so we don't know what the other side's been put in with.
Alright, that was easy. That's tight. That was tight. Down screw.
Do you want to check that bolt while you're there too? Or do you want to change the bolt over? You know the other, which side?
No, that was the one that undid. That's
Yeah.
tight.
Yeah, but you know how it's.
I Loctited it.
Yeah, but you know how it turns the opposite direction? And we were going to flip it over.
Yes, our theory is that it pulls that way, which unwinds it. So if it was the other way, it would tighten it. Because it goes like this and the boat pulls back on the rope, the shaft's tight on the spindle, and that will tighten it. But
It's tight.
it's tight, I can't move it.
That's okay. It was just a thought while
But
we're.
a soft shackle here would be the answer, because in the current you get, and that goes right through the boat at
I
night.
know, drives you insane.
Does that bring back memories?
Oh, it's a,
So,
it's a little things that you.
Soft shackle there would be a good answer.
Now this is the side with
There you can video that. Look at that, it's all missing.
all three.
You can get it in close. And all three, 1, 2, and 3 are all full, all gone. Look tight. We've just left Port Stephens and Nelson Bay and we're heading across to Broughton Island at the moment. Got a bit of a westerly blowing, 20-25 knots at times gusting, but a little bit of a southwest swell. heading into Providence Bay, which we're going to go up, around, in and work our way down to here, so it's not too complicated, but there's a lot of white water here. Waves crashing everywhere up ahead. We hope it's more protected than what we're seeing from here. Change of plans. Of course, a little bit rolly. Beach wasn't as nice as it looked on the satellite, so we're making the dash now to Forster to catch the afternoon incoming tide. We're just coming into Forster, and I've just called up the webcam for the bar crossing, so I'm just going to try and record us as we come through, which will be interesting to get a different perspective. And there we are. We're coming in. You've got to keep the lead light up ahead. I'll try and zoom in on it. Oh, there it is there. So you can see it's white. And if Joanne just veers slightly to one side, just go slightly to the right, Joe, to show it. It'll go green very quickly. Very, very accurate. You'll see it. Oh, it's flashing, so that's good. And that went green. So now we've got to come back over. Just very, very small distances, meters. And now it's green. Now it's white. So we're dead on course, we're aiming straight at it, tappy. I'm not sure if it's flashing on the screen or not, it is on my camera, but it shouldn't be in real life. Now it's red, so we're going to go more to the right. Right, not left. And we're just about in, I reckon. That's a decent wall. Not looking good. Looks like someone's got our hopeful boys here. Right, watch this. You watch what happens. So I thought the buoy was hitting the hulls, but it's not hitting the hulls. It's a horrible giant buoy. It'll come. It's hitting our forebeam. You're videoing the bridge. So it's setting up at the moment. Hang on. You can see the buoy's under the boat. We're completely over it, even though the current flowing here 2-3 knots at least. All right, here we go. We're starting to go. Here it goes. It's going to you. Get ready. Here it goes. You watch this. Jesus. What was the force on that? Yeah. That's given us a lunge forward. The wind will go behind us. Here we go. We're going to overtake it. Here we go. We're going to overtake. It's going to go under our boat and out the other side. And now the current's got us, pulling us the other way. So we're surfing it forward. Yep. We're still moving forward fast here. Are we still going forwards? Yeah, we're still going forwards. Yeah, the wind's got us. Here we go. We're going to overtake it. Here we go. Yeah, we're starting to go backwards with the current. Here we go. It's going to come out your side. Here it goes. So we have the mooring buoy tied short because if we do it any longer, it'll hit the hulls. And it marks and scratches the hull. So we tie it shorter. So yes, you can say leave it longer and we'll hang back. But as you saw when we surf over it, then we go right over it. Then we can get it caught midway down our hull, ripping it, scratching all our anti-fouls, marking the hull. So with a cat, we tie it short and we don't let it touch either side hull. But this is nuts. We only got to wait 6 hours and it'll get better.
Oh, so no hire boats are allowed past that bridge.
That'll be this side we're on now, not that side.
That's shallow.
So we've just come in. Tender's just down the front there. And wander around and have a look for dinner. Listen to it! This is unbelievable! That's going so fast. I'm going to get this thing ready. It's going to be a real shit.
So that's the propeller.
This is the propeller turning.
With the
You able to hold it or what?
hold what part?
Oh shit!
I've got it as much as I can.
Okay, it's on. Alright. Shit, that's flowing. Look at it down here. Put the camera down here for a sec. Look at it flowing. That's got it. And the handle's off. That is just ripping past. You got it? I've got to lift it up.
Yeah.
You hold that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got the nose a bit.
Yeah, the nose is up. Alright, get the pants are hooked on the hook.